Hello 12th standard students, welcome back to chapter 1, applications of matrices and determinants. We are going to see example 1.33. Find the condition on A, B and C so that the following system of linear equation has one parameter family of solutions. What do you mean by one parameter? Here in consistency I have given you the conditions. If rank of AB equal to rank of A equal to number of unknown, after writing the augmented matrix and reducing to row echelon form, we find out the rank of AB and rank of A. If they are equal to the number of unknown, then it has got unique solution. When rank of A equal to rank of AB and it is less than number of unknown, less than means less than 3, you will get it as 2 or 1. When you get it as 2, you get the one parameter form. Okay, that means what is the meaning? You should get two non-zero rows in your rank. Okay, in your row echelon form there should be two non-zero rows. If you get two non-zero rows, then your rank will be 2. Okay, so we are going to do this linear equation, system of linear equation. We are going to reduce to row echelon form and we are going to find out the condition for getting two non-zero rows in the row echelon form. So we will proceed with our problem and come back to the condition again. So first you write it as Ax equal to B, and from that you get augmented matrix A and B. You reduce this to row echelon form. Okay, reduce this to row echelon form and then you find the rank. Okay, here instead of the constant they are given as ABC. So we are going to find the condition, how you are going to get it as a one parameter family. Okay, so we'll write our Ax equal to B, 1 1 1 1 2 and 3 3 5 and 7. This is going to be our A. What is our x? Our x is our unknowns x, y and z, and our B is going to be the constant on the right hand side. That is going to be our ABC. Okay, now augmented matrix A and B. You're going to get 1 1 1 and A, 1 2 3 and B, 3 5 and 7 and C. Okay, now already I got a 1, so you can directly reduce. So below this one you are going to bring these elements to 0. So for that you are going to get help of row 1. Therefore row 2 you are going to change row 2 minus row 1, because it is 1 here, you can directly subtract. Similarly, what about row 3? Row 3 is 3 there, so minus 3 row 1. Okay, so now our second row 1 2 3 and B, first row 1 1 1 and A. Change the sign throughout. All are plus, so all will become minus. This is equal, so 0 2 minus 1 1 3 minus 1 2, and here you will get it as B minus A. Okay, now coming to row 3 3 5 7 and C. What is our 3 R1? 3 3 3 and 3. Again you are going to change all the sign. All are plus, so all will become as minus. Okay, so cancel, this is equal and opposite sign. Now 5 minus 3 gives you 2, 7 minus 3 gives you 4, and this is going to be C minus 3A. Okay, now this is our row 3, this is our row 2. Now write your equivalent matrix. First row remains the same, and our second row 0 1 2 and last one is going to be B minus A. Okay, similarly row 3 0 2 4 and our last row is going to be C minus 3A. So drop the line in between. Okay, so now below the principal diagonal everything should be 0. We got the first column. Now below this one, this 2, you are going to make it 0. For that you are going to get the help of row 2. So our row 3 you are going to change row 3 minus 2 row 2, because you have got here 1. Okay, so 0 2 4 and C minus 3A. What is our 2 row 2? 0 2 2 into 2 4 and 2 into B minus A. Okay, what is 2 into B minus A? How are you going to get it? You can multiply and write it. Okay, it is going to be 2B minus 2A, so that it will be easy for us to write the answers when you subtract. So change your sign and change your sign here also. This is equal, so this gets cancelled. This is equal, this also gets cancelled. Here you will get it as C minus 3A minus 2B plus, here also you can change the sign, plus 2A. Okay, so what will you get? 3a means C. So here the answer will be C, 0, 0, 0 and C. 3a plus 2a will give you a minus 2b. So this is going to be our last one. Okay, now this is our row 3. Now write your equivalent matrix. First row is going to be 1, 1, 1 and a. Our second row remains the same, 0, 1, 2 and b minus a, and our last row 0, 0, 0 and c minus a minus 2b. Drop the line. Now you have achieved your echelon form, isn't it? This is our row echelon form. So from this you are going to calculate our rank of AB, rank of A, and number of unknowns we know as 3. But here they want a one parameter condition. What is our one parameter? Here it is our one parameter. This is our one parameter condition. So it should be less than the unknown and it should be equal to 2. Okay. So what should we get here? Rank of AB you should get it as 2 and rank of A also you should get it as 2. That means number of non-zero rows. This is our first non-zero row. This is our second non-zero row. This should be a 0 row. Then only you can write the rank as 2. Which means row 3 should be equal to a 0 row, isn't it? That is C minus A minus 2B should be equal to 0. Then only you will get this as 2 and 2. Therefore it is less than our number of unknowns. Therefore it is consistent. It has solution but a one parameter family solution. Okay, therefore this is our condition. Okay, so what is going to be our C? You take both the minus here, A plus 2B. So this is the condition between A, B and C. So you can write it as is the condition between A, B and C. What have they asked us? Has one parameter family of solutions. C for the system to have one parameter family of solutions. Okay, so it should be clear. You should understand this point. Why have you writing it as one parameter solution? I have given you in the hint itself and I have repeated in each and every problem. Here if rank of A equal to rank of B, AB equal to rank of A, less than number of unknown. Less than means it can be 2 or 1. If it is 2, then it is has got one parameter form. Why one parameter form? Because for 2 unknowns you can find the values and the last one is going to be 0. So for that you are going to put some constant T or S, something that belongs to R. Okay, so it is called as one parameter family of solution. Okay, I hope this is clear as far as this problem is concerned. Thank you.